Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to show you guys a full face using Plume brushes, and they are my absolute favorite. So I am first using P05 Professional Flat Foundation brush to apply my foundation. Then I'm using P03 Professional Flat Top Foundation Kabuki brush to blend it out all over my face. This is a really helpful brush for beginners. Then I'm just applying some concealer to hide my dark circles, and then I'm trying to highlight my nose area and the rest of my face with a little bit of concealer. Then I'm using P20 Professional Dense Concealer and Foundation brush to blend out my concealer. This brush is very dense and it contains a very pointy edge, which is really helpful if you want to blend your concealer really well, especially on the corners. And then I am using my P01 Professional Powder brush, a big powder brush, and I am setting my face with that brush. This brush is so big and so fluffy. Then I'm using that same particular brush to apply my blush. Now if you want to have a very natural blush kind of a look for your everyday, this brush is for you. It's really good. Then I'm using my P02 Professional Angled brush, and I'm using this to bronze up my face a little bit. I'm using my BH Cosmetics bronzer palette, and I am giving my face a beautiful natural bronzed look. And also this brush contains a very angled kind of a shape, which is really good for bronzing and contouring. Then I'm using my P20 Professional Dense Concealer brush, that same exact brush, and I'm using it to apply my highlighter. And then I am going to talk about Plume eye brushes. Now I am using P15, this brow spoolie, to just brush up my eyebrows so that I can do my eyebrows with this P16 angled brow brush. This is a really good brush if you want to use any cream brow product, and I think this is really good for beginners. If you're a beginner, if you want to do your brows, I think this brush is perfect for you. Then I'm just using my P11 flat synthetic cut crease brush. This brush is really good to clean up your brow area. And then I am using some eyeshadow, and for this I'm using P07 fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend out my eyeshadow. I'm using this color as my transition shade, and this big fluffy brush is really good for that. Then I'm using my P24 medium eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm using it for my lower lash line. I personally love this brush for my lower lash line because it will give you that smoky lower lash line look. Then I'm using my P08 small eyeshadow blending brush. This is a really small brush, and I love using it for my inner corners because you can really walk with this brush on your inner corners. Then I used my P17 dense eyeshadow brush, and this is a really good brush to have that smoky smudged eyeliner kind of a look because it's very dense. And then I'm using my P19 eyeshadow pencil smudger brush and using it for my brow bone highlighter, and also sometimes if you want to highlight few particular areas like your nose. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what my full face using Plume brushes looks like. Like and follow Plume for more such videos.